Hello again, dear my friend Plamen. It's good to see you again. And I'm going to present just the status of our student on Moodle platform for the University of Rwanda. And we are under the College of Medicine, the Health Sciences, and my school is Health Sciences. And every Monday I have to present the status of a number of logs from student. And for this department, for example, we have those courses that must be taught during this trimester. We are in trimester 2, and for the year 1, for this module, they are at 72%. Another one is about 100%. And as we are at department, some departments do not motivate their students so that you can have, for example, 0% of at least one visit in this course, for example. This one for hematology too. Another one for molecular biology. They didn't motivate the students so that they can go every week or log in order to take their courses. So as we are, for example, this one, we have 100% in this course, another 100% in this course, and that's it. And I thank you very much for that. If you have, if you have any question, I can answer.
Thank you very much.
You too.